So good news, the COVID vaccine is almost here. It's almost here. It's almost ready. Pfizer, a pharmaceutical company, announced days ago that their COVID-19 vaccination is 90% effective. Yeah, that's good. 9%. Most of us are like, whoa, 9%? That's good. Some are like, what about that other 10%? Does that mean I'm gonna die? Does that mean that's gonna kill me? And others are like, Pfizer, you guys should buy some stock. So what does this mean for you? Let's break it down. COVID-19, a virus that has devastated the whole world and affected the lives of millions, and we finally have a vaccination. Pfizer and its partner BioNTech said their vaccine apparently works very well. Preliminary analysis said the vaccine is more than 90% effective in preventing COVID symptoms. So the vaccine can be coming within the next few months. Vaccine is stored at -80 degrees Celsius, which is typically unusual for a vaccination. So storage can be an issue for some places that want to keep them stable. 80 degrees Celsius, which is about -112 degrees Fahrenheit. That's pretty low. This is good news for other COVID vaccinations, like company MODERNA. MODERNA just has a vaccination that they just announced, and it's about 95% effective. There are currently 10 vaccinations that are in late-stage trials globally. How did Pfizer come up with this 90% effectiveness? You got a bunch of people. Half of the people got the vaccination. Half got placebo, which is like not a real vaccination. Could have been salt water. Then you wait for people to get sick to see if the vaccine protects against the virus. The trial that Pfizer used, about 94 patients of 44,000 got sick with COVID-19. The independent board of experts looked at how many patients got placebo, how many got the vaccine, and determined that the vaccine was 90% effective based on early analysis. So standard clinical trials are blinded. No one knows who gets what. Patients don't know what they're getting. Doctors don't know what they're giving. No one in the trial knows what's being given to who, except for the independent board. They know this is in effect in order to keep the data honest and to keep companies from changing and fixing them. So 94 people who had the virus of the 44,000 either had placebo or the actual vaccination. So based on the 90% effectiveness, it's safe to assume that most people who got the vaccination did not get infected. Of that 94 people who were infected, most likely most of them didn't get the actual vaccination. So it's possible that most of them got the placebo. This high percentage was good because the FDA usually sets the bar at 50% effectiveness. The bar is usually set at 50% for vaccine makers submitting a vaccine for emergency authorization. Pfizer and BioNTech are likely to make about 1.3 billion doses, which is not going to be enough, won't be enough to cover everybody. But hopefully with other companies releasing their vaccinations, that can fill the void. Most people getting priority are most likely healthcare workers, people with high risk factors like diabetes, old age, obesity. So continue wearing your mask, stay safe, and we'll wait for a vaccine to come out. Hopefully it'll be safe to take, and see you soon.